Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396. This is a car that blends classic muscle car DNA with modern performance upgrades, offering a thrilling driving experience wrapped in a timeless design. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about this iconic vehicle, you're in for a treat. Let's take a closer look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396 carries that classic muscle car stance, but with a few modern tweaks. The front end has been redesigned, giving it a more aggressive and bold look. The signature front grille, with its sharp edges and glossy chrome finish, immediately grabs your attention. The headlamps are sleek and contemporary, featuring LED technology that adds to the Nova's powerful presence on the road. The body has clean lines, with a muscular yet refined look that hints at its performance capabilities. The 2025 model comes with a wide variety of color options, including bold hues like deep red, electric blue, and even a matte black finish for that stealthy vibe. The fender flares are subtly pronounced, housing those iconic 18-inch aluminum wheels, which give the car an athletic, ready-to-run appearance. Moving to the back, the rear features a dual exhaust system, which not only enhances the car's sound, but also adds to its aggressive rear end. Overall, the design is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. In our discussion of the building, I described the design as comprehensive and luxury. Top performance. Now, let's step inside the cabin and check out the interior. Opening the door, you're greeted with a blend of retro styling and modern comfort. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, with a mix of vintage-inspired stitching and bold accents that echo the SS 396's heritage. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits, the seats offer excellent support, making long drives comfortable and enjoyable. The steering wheel is a smaller diameter for better handling, wrapped in leather with a sporty feel. The dashboard retains a bit of that classic charm, with analog dials for the speedometer, tachometer, and fuel gauge, but with a modern twist. The center console houses a touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system itself is responsive and easy to navigate, making it simple to connect your smartphone or access your favorite apps. There's also a premium sound system that makes sure you enjoy the music as much as the drive. As for the tech, the Nova SS 396 is loaded with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The interior is well insulated, so road noise is kept to a minimum, allowing for a refined driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you've got a massive 6.6-liter V8 engine that pumps out a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower and 500 lv-ft of torque. This engine delivers that unmistakable muscle car rumble, and the power is instant as you hit the gas. The SS 396 is equipped with a smooth shifting 6-speed manual transmission, which provides a more engaging driving experience. For those who prefer an automatic, there's an 8-speed automatic option that offers quick shifts and better fuel efficiency. On the road, the car is a blast to drive. With rear-wheel drive and a well-tuned suspension, it feels incredibly nimble, especially when you take it around corners. Whether you're on twisty back roads or open highways, the Nova SS 396 offers a balanced mix of comfort and performance. The Brembo brakes give you excellent stopping power, even when you're pushing the car to its limits. The 2025 Nova SS 396 isn't just about raw power. It also handles incredibly well for a muscle car. The steering is responsive, and the car feels planted even at higher speeds. That said, if you push the pedal down, expect this car to surge forward like a true muscle machine. 0 to 60 mph happens in just around 4.2 seconds, which is remarkable for a car of its size and weight. Let's talk numbers now. Pricing for the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396 starts at around $50,000. Of course, depending on the trim and additional features you choose, the price can climb higher. For instance, if you opt for the fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a price closer to $60,000. This is a competitive price when compared to other muscle cars in the market, especially considering the performance and modern touches the Nova offers. Now, is it worth the price? Absolutely. The 2025 Nova SS 396 is a fantastic balance of modern technology, comfort, and raw muscle. It pays tribute to its roots while offering features and performance that enthusiasts crave today. Whether you're a classic car collector or someone looking for a thrilling new ride, the Nova SS 396 delivers a driving experience that's hard to beat. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396 is an incredible blend of old-school muscle and modern luxury. It's a car that will turn heads wherever you go, thanks to its bold styling and powerful performance. The interior is comfortable and loaded with tech, while the performance on the road is truly exhilarating. At a starting price of $50,000, it's a competitive choice for anyone looking for a high-performance muscle car that doesn't compromise on comfort or technology. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396 and if it's a car you'd love to own. See you in the next video.